This is the demonstration of the working process of the TM4500 negative pressure vacuum memory press machine. They arrange the workpiece, place the PVC memory. Then the workbench enters the working chamber. The video is not accelerated. Let's time the processing duration. Now it's heating and processing. This is the voltage meter and the temperature. PLC control. Pressure released. The alarm indicating completion. In less than 2 minutes, the processing is complete. Let's take a look at the processing results together. Clear grooves, process adhesion. Are you satisfied with this outcome? If you are also interested in our equipment, feel free to contact Allison.